Tesla's audio system is highly customizable via the touchscreen. This video will guide you through adjusting the equalizer, EQ, balance, and other sound options in your Tesla Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck as of December 2025. We'll cover how to access these settings and understand their functions, including the latest features from version 2025.12. To access the audio settings in your Tesla, first ensure your vehicle's touchscreen is active and displaying the main interface. The touchscreen should show the main controls menu, similar to this view with the Tesla model and current music playing at the bottom. Next, locate and tap the speaker icon, which is typically found on the bottom bar of the touchscreen interface. Tapping the speaker icon will open the audio settings interface, where you can see controls for tone adjustments and equalizer options. As an alternative method, you can use voice commands. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, adjust equalizer," to access the settings hands-free. Either method will bring up the audio tile in the settings menu, where you'll find dedicated options for sound adjustments and the equalizer controls. The equalizer modifies the frequency response of your audio. Tesla offers presets like flat, jazz, and rock, or manual sliders for custom adjustments. Bass controls low frequencies from 20 to 250 Hz. Mids handle vocals between 250 Hz and 4 kHz, and treble enhances highs above 4 kHz. Use the sliders to adjust each band from -12 decibels to +12 decibels to your preference. The premium models offer a 10-band equalizer for more fine-grained control. For example, manual equalizers like this 10-band pedal allow precise frequency adjustments. This frequency response graph shows how equalizer adjustments affect audio output across different ranges. The balance setting controls the left-right speaker distribution in your Tesla vehicle. You can drag the slider from -10, which sends all audio to the left speakers, to +10, which sends all audio to the right speakers. This setting is useful for compensating for driver or passenger seating preferences, or if your vehicle's cabin has any asymmetry. For the most balanced audio experience, Tesla recommends keeping the balance slider centered. You can see similar balance controls in professional audio mixing interfaces, where precise left-right distribution is crucial for sound engineering. The fade setting adjusts the front-rear volume distribution, ranging from -10 for full rear emphasis to +10 for full front emphasis. This is particularly helpful for rear seat entertainment, allowing passengers in the back to enjoy clearer audio. Speed-compensated volume automatically increases the audio volume as you drive at higher speeds. This feature uses GPS data to adjust for wind and road noise, ensuring consistent sound quality regardless of your vehicle's speed. The subwoofer level control adjusts the output of low-frequency sounds, allowing you to customize the depth and intensity of bass in your audio system. This enhances the overall sound quality, especially for music with strong bass elements. Surround sound, available on premium Tesla models, creates an immersive audio experience by distributing sound across multiple speakers. This feature enhances spatial awareness and makes media playback feel more lifelike, as if you're in a theater or concert hall. Newer Tesla models from 2024 onward include adaptive EQ, which automatically adjusts the equalizer based on cabin acoustics and road noise using onboard microphones. AI integration enables smart audio, which learns your sound preferences and suggests adjustments based on the time of day or your driving route. This feature builds on Tesla's Tesla AI Audio Beta, significantly reducing the need for manual equalizer adjustments. As you can see on the screen, the system handles tone adjustments automatically, minimizing the need for manual changes and providing a more personalized driving experience. Your audio settings are automatically saved for each driver profile. Tesla allows up to 10 profiles through your Tesla account, ensuring personalized sound preferences for different users. These profiles automatically sync across multiple vehicles if they are connected to the same Tesla account, allowing seamless audio preferences whether you switch between your Model S and Model 3. If you want to restore all audio settings to their original factory defaults, navigate to the Factory Reset option within the Audio Settings menu on your touchscreen. Here are some important tips and considerations for using Tesla's audio system. Always adjust audio settings while parked to avoid distractions. Take advantage of the preview button to test changes before saving. Consider using adaptive EQ for optimal sound in varying environments. Stay updated with Tesla's OTA software updates for new audio features and improvements. Remember that audio preferences are subjective, so experiment to find what sounds best to you. These tips will help you get the most out of your Tesla's audio system.